खबर ना पूण ह्या नन्सांनी जे रन करताले घर हें दीस होम म्हाका तेणी खंयच्यान तरी गार्बेजांतल्यान काडून हाडिल्लें, म्हाका नांव दिलें, म्हाका स्कुलान घातलें पणजे, म्हाका शिकयलें आनी म्हाका लग्न करून दिलें आनी आयज हांव सेटल्ड आसा गोंयांत. दुसऱ्या बायलेन सांगलें आपूण हिंदू आनी सेम थिंग शी टोल्ड मी आय वॉज लायक अ डेस्टिट्यूट, आय हॅड नोबडी. But these nuns had bought me, kept me for over like 25-30 years. My kids also, it was a home. Though I was married, they got me married. I used to come with my children here as a home. And the nuns always treated us like, कशें आवयचें घर आसता तशें. आनी तिसऱ्या चलयेन म्हाका सांगलें, who's lately, like not even 10-15 years, married, means got kids and all, that this was our home. आयज वायट दिसता जें घर मदर तेरेसा जे कोणाक पळयताली, डेस्टिट्यूट्सांक पळयताली, ऑर्फन्सांक पळयताली, अनवॅडीड मदर्सांक पळयताली, जेंकां घर नाशिल्लें, समाजाक फॅमिलीन तांकां भायर उडयल्लें, ओर लग्नाच्या भायर लग्न जायनासतना अनवॅडीड मदर्स आसतात तांकां ती हाडून तांकां तेंची भुरगीं हांगा जल्माक हाडून तांकां पोसलेलीं. 49 years म्हणल्यार तुमी चिंतात मदर तेरेसाचें कितें आशिल्लो मोटो, तिजो मोटो कितें आशिल्लो, भुरग्यांक न्ही अबॉर्शन करप ना, डिवोर्स करप ना, आनी तिसरें म्हणटा ती शी ऑलवेज बिलीव्ड, शी बिलीव्ड, आय एम वेरी फिलींग हेवी टू स्पीक, इट्स द फर्स्ट टायम. शी बिलीव्ड इन सर्टन प्रिंसिपल्स की समाजान ते भुरग्यांक न्ही आनी बायलांक न्ही आनी डेस्टिट्यूटनाक बी समाजान सोडला तांकां हाडून दवरपाचें म्हणून. आयकपाक आयलें आमकां फाटल्या 7-8 दीस न्यूज चालू आसा, सगळ्या कडेन बोवाळ जालो की तिणी तांकां वेकेट करपाक, ते आर गोईंग म्हणून. आनी येस्टरडे वॉज द डे दे हॅड टू वेकेट. सम ऑफ द inmates, who were staying here, I've heard that they have been shifted to Karamboli, some are shifted to Kota. Now why the need arise? When I came here, I saw Neville Montero, who is sitting inside and waiting for me. He is the, I guess, president of this SNCSA, the Goa. He came to know, it seems, that I'm coming here. The committee members are there. This is the institute, SNCSA, the Goa, which was formed in 1910, the trust, which was given to Mother Teresa's Missionaries of Charity. So this is between the trust and the charity. I came first and I had a look inside. And I saw the rooms. I saw the pathetic state of the walls, of the ceiling, of the floor. Now the other day, they said they have vacated, they have gone. But as far as I know, the information I have gathered through the sources, and especially the ladies who called me yesterday said, sisters have not gone out of their will. Sisters were pushed away. Sisters felt humiliated. So I said, but I've heard people, and I've read somewhere that sister said that Panjim is rich and there are no poor people in Panjim. I can say that it may be a sarcastic statement made by the sister out of humiliation or frustration or by feeling hurt. I've known that this is going on for the last 10 years, from 2014. I understand that, when the missionaries of charities run म्हणल्यार कितें means समाज सेवा ती प्रॉफिट करपाचो बिझनस न्ही तो. जे कोण चॅरिटी दिता, फंड्स दिता, ताजेर ती तांकां पोसतालीं, डेस्टिट्यूटांक, अनवॅडीड मदर्सांक, भुरग्यांक कोणाक सोडलेलीं आसात, जाणटेलीं, तांकां ती पोसतालीं. दे डिडंट हॅव मनी to repair this or renovate this, and last 10 years it was going on. म्हाका दिसता कितें तरी भासाभास जाताली between the trustees and between the missionaries of charities. And I think somewhere when it was going on, तांचे जायते meetings were supposed to be held, this, that, but I understand that there was no funds, there was no support system for the missionaries of charity. And then they had to come to this conclusion But I feel no, there are many poor people. I can show how many poor people are in Panjim. Panjim city must be rich, but Panjim city must be rich. But there are many people and destitutes, old people, unwedded mothers, who are there. People come, contact us. आम्ही कितले जाणां प्रोविडन्सान घातला हिंगा जाल्यार फ्री आसताले आयज कितले जाणां म्हाका दिसता अनाथ आसा पळय येवपाक आसलेलीं तांकां तुमी बेगर केला दीस वॉज द होम फॉर द होमलेस दीस वॉज द होम फॉर द होपलेस एंड टुडे इट्स जस्ट ओवर I can't just take it. I feel somewhere I've heard, I don't know, I don't want to get politics here. It's nothing to do with politics. It is nothing to be to do with the MLA of Panjim. Nothing I will speak about Babush because I know he's not involved. I would not like to talk about the BJP Sarkar here because I know that CM is not involved because this issue is with the trust and this issue is between the missionaries of charity. But I think strongly, as I've gathered some information, that the South Goa, one of the strongest, powerful men, who has the habit of talking to God, देवाकडे उलयता तो पळय ताजे कितें तरी खंय पर्सनल फॅमिलीचे कितें तरी हांगा कितें बिझनस आसा वो कितें तरी पेट्रोल पंप आसा आनी कितें तरी तांचे आसा एजंडा अरे बाबानो तुमचे समज कितें तरी आसा एजंडा आनी तुमी कितें करूंक सोदता हे जागो समज तुमी घेवपाक सोदता पळय इतलो वर्साचो तो चुकोन दिवपाक हांव ट्रस्टा कडेन मागतां हो जागो तुमी सांबाळून दवरूंक जाय हो जागो वचपाक शकना कित्याक कितले पळय 49 इयर्स हांगा जे आवय भुरग्यांकनी व्हडले केल्यार जाणटेलीं आनी कोण दुयेंत आशिल्लीं तांकां सिस्टरांनी होम म्हूण केल्लो तांचे तुमी शिराप घेनाकात दे आर क्रायंग टुडे दॅट वी डोंट हॅव अ होम टू कम आमी लग्न जाल्यार आमकां बरें दिसता आवयगेर वचपाक आमच्या आवयचें घर आहा आवयगेर वचपाक तशें त्या बायलांक न्ही हें घर आसलेलें तुमी तांकां बेगोर करनाकात हांवें सर एंटनी सिल्वा जो आमचो आंबेलीचो आसा ताजो हांवें सकाळीं एक व्हिडियो पळयलो इट वॉज अरावंड 7:30, 8 o'clock something he posted one video and he threw some light where I came to know and then I said I made up my mind that I have to go today because otherwise I would feel helpless. See, this is nothing but I'm again saying Mother Teresa's missionaries of charity तिका नोबल पीस अवॉर्ड मेळिल्लो आसा नोबल प्रायज मेळिल्लो आसा पद्मश्री मेळिल्ली बायल ती ते बायलेन आपलो देश सोडून ते आमकां इंडियन्सांक लागून आनी तेजे चॅरिटी होम सगळे सबंद इंडियात घातल्यो आनी ही आमची एक चॅरिटी होम आशिल्ली मदर तेरेजाचें अस्तित्व हांगा आसा हांव म्हणटा तिजो आत्मो हांगासर आसा सो नाव एज आय बीन टोल्ड when I spoke to Neil Montero who is the president he was like telling me that let's talk and they have come some of them have come to speak I told them they briefed me but I said wait I want to talk I would not like to blame them also but I would like to request them this is nobody's property this is just the essence of Goa and Yola he has taken over it since from 2024 last year only so he was telling me around last 10 years it's going on the pathetic state which is Pratima it's not in the condition I'm saying that it's a trust तुमचे कडेन जायना जाल्यार न्ही हांव सांगतां हांव भीक मागता गोंयकारा कडेन हांव गोंयकार जे नॉट ओन्ली इन गोवा बट साबार आमचे इंडियांत आसा आनी भायल्या गांवांतली तुका आसा तुमचे कडेन जायना जाल्यार हांव उलो मारतां आनी फंड्स हाडटां पूण मातशे पांय पडटां हें चॅरिटी होम जें आसा पळय होम फॉर द होपलेस एंड फॉर द होमलेस and for the destitutes and orphans should not be shut down. I request the trustees, I request the trust, SSTC, the trust which is run by here, that please get back our nuns. They are doing noble service, they are serving humanity and तांकां परतून हाडचे आनी जायतो लोक आसा जायते डेस्टिट्यूट आसा गोंयांत जायते जे होमलेस आसा तांकां होम म्हूण एक आशा आसता तांकां परतून हाडून तांचें घर दिवचें म्हूण हांव अपेक्षा करता This is the kitchen. See, I'll tell you. Now
About that
don't
assistance
speak
is-
about this because you are getting scared.
Yes, yeah, even I saw your name also there. No, but you have to read, because
Yeah, yesterday I went to
No, I understand.
Are you taking drugs?
It's the chapel.
So, and we are supposed to spend that money. Let's go, David. David, Nehru. Registration. Nothing commercial, nothing at all. That is for sure. This committee members are all professionals. We are Rami Baste.
I'm an architect, so I know.